Plant nutrition introduction. Plant need food for their growth and development. All green plants are autotrophic or self-nourishing, i.e. they are able is manufacture carbohydrates. For this purpose, they require the organic raw material or minerals element which are called nutrients are essential element. Plant cannot complete their life cycle in absence of essential element. They are directly involved in plant metabolic process is an essential constituent for a biomolecule or X process is an essential biomolecule or required for action for an enzyme system. Such activity are needed for energy transformation and maintenance of circular up to organization within the plant. Hence, lack of essential elements are their absorption and utilization by plant is referred to as plant nutrition. Essential nutrients. There are several known as essential plant nutrients. They are different functions as various stages for growth and development of plants. Each element is required in different concentrations by the plant. Accordingly, by the classified as one nutrients are major elements and micronutrients are mineral elements. Micronutrients, plant nutrients are needed in a relatively large quantity for than 1000 microgram per kilogram dry matter as known as micronutrients or major elements. These include nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium and sulfur. The first three NPK are used by the plant and comparatively larger quantity than the other three, calcium, magnesium and sulfur. Hence, NPK are categorized as primary and other secondary micronutrients. Micronutrients. Some mineral elements are required by the plants in the smallest amount. They are called micronutrients or minor elements or trace elements. These include zinc, iron, manganese, copper, molybdenum, boron, chloride. In addition, certain plant species have been shown to use cobalt, sodium, silicon. However, these are not considered essential for growth, development and production of plant. Nitrogen plays a major role in plant physiology. It it is an important constituent of chlorophyll, protoplasm, protein, amino acid, nucleic acid and growth hormones. It directly affects photosynthetic activity of plants. Plants normally contains between 0 to 4% nitrogen in their dry matter. Nitrogen is taken up by the plants in the form of ammonium and nitrate ions. It is then covered to other compounds. Nitrogen is most essential for leaf enlargement and thickness, branching, literating, flowering, fruit setting, and root developing expansions. For these reasons, nitrogen increased crop yield and improved quality. It make leafy vegetable and fodder fodder more succulent. It is also enhanced the nutrient value for food and fed by increasing their protein content. Nitrogen deficiency causes the stunted growth, delayed maturity, and pale green or yellow colors to the leaves. To lower leaves, Tyson roots become thinner and reddish. Phosphorus, it is structural components of membrane system of the cell, the chloroplast and mitochondria. Phosphorus is the key element in the formation of high energy compounds such as AMP, ADP, and ATP. Adenosine triphosphate, which is essential role in photosynthesis and respiration. It is virtual components of nucleic acid, phospholipids, and certain coenzymes. Nectomanide adenosine and nitrogen adenosine dinucleotide phosphate. Phosphate is also involved glycolysis and fatty acid synthesis and metabolism. Plants take up phosphorus in uh, organic form mainly as orthophosphates. Iron is occur in most plants concentration between 0.1 and 0.4% on dry matter basis. Phosphorus is essential for energy formation, transformation in plant cells, cell division, development of tissues, early root development, trailing and flowering, and seed fruit development. Phosphorus contributes to improve yield and quality of the crop. The increase the strength of cereal straw thus help to prevent loading in cereals. It also increases crops resistance to prevent diseases. In legumes, it includes rhizobial activity, nuclear nodule formation, and thus an nitrogen fixation. Deficiency symptoms of phosphorus are stunted growth, purple or reddish leaves, stems and branches, less numbers of tillers, small and fragile stalks in cereal, particularly maize, low yield and poor quality of the crops are then observed in case of inadequate supply of phosphorus. In contrast to nitrogen deficiency, symptoms of phosphorus most often occur in seedlings and young plants. Seedling and young plants. I discuss in this topic the nutrition of plants. The major plant have major nutrients for growth. Requirement of plants, major nutrients is that nitrogen, micronutrients, first nitrogen, phosphorus, and micro essential nutrients, micronutrients, micro essential nutrients, micronutrients, and micronutrients is that